What's the natural flow for this sentence in English? London is different from Hong Kong. London is different from or to Hong Kong. What's the common parlance for expressing this? In Argentina, Christmas celebrations are completely different as the ones in England. In Argentina, Christmas celebrations are completely different from or to the ones in England. Here is a bit more detail about that. A is different from or to be. Alex was different from all the other boys she knew. Note that most teachers and careful users prefer from.